Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the EDC Coke bottle cap in Zirc for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound and the feel of this fella. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out Fablades.com, interact with me. Let me know what you guys think about this fella in the comments and on Instagram. Check it out, what is going on right over there, because there's some stuff, some nice knives, nice toys, and let's go ahead and start with this fella, which comes with this hard plastic case with their logo, of course, and it's padded a little bit on the inside, not glued in, so these guys are going to be moving a little bit, but it's enough to protect this pretty cool toy right over here. This is a haptic coin, Coca-Cola KWEDC Coke bottle cap, sorry, which has a 1.56 inches of diameter and 0.41 inches in thickness. Let's quickly check the weight as well, because yeah, it's not like too bad. It's Zirc, so it's heavier, but it's harder than, for example, titanium. So we got 2.5 ounces, not too shabby. So this is of course Coke bottle cap. It's pretty cool looking for sure. The design, I mean, it's 100% nailed down. I believe there's like 50 of these made. I'm not sure. Actually sure, it's not numbered, so I know they are like sold out. You can only find these guys on the secondary market, on Facebook groups, on eBay, maybe on Instagram, but once they are gone, they are gone. They're not going to be produced anymore, and that's something that is attractive and at the same time annoying about these toys, but it's part of the hunt, it's part of the fun. This is a very good looking one, iconic logo, of course, and shape. This is a Coke bottle cap, and it's a haptic coin. So basically this guy works because there's like two parts. There's like a set of needle bearings or roller bearings which are caged, and a set of magnets attracting each other. So basically you just sandwich this thing and you go away like a boss, just having fun and playing with this guy. So the sound, it's nice, subdued, not too high, not too obnoxious, or you can even do like a quiet playing, like a stealthy fidgeting going on in your pocket, for example. So it's gonna have a pretty cool feel. It's not, I mean, there's not much grip on this area, but still, because of the ridges on the back, you can still feel, you can still rotate quite easily. Yeah, you're not going to be having any troubles. Let's quickly check it up against, for example, some other Zirc toys. Here you get the Black Mirror design telephone dial. This is the Helios ratchet, pretty big compared to that. I want to show you what else. Like, this is the EDC Gamer. That's the clicker. This is the Milkia from EDC, also pretty cool one. Of course, Lauti mini dealer as well in Zirc. And since we are talking about haptic coins, of course, I need to show you Amber coin. Check this out, guys. That's pretty rad. And what else I can show you? I don't know, just a couple of these guys right over here, because we got them here, CP2 and CP3 from Mackie, also in Zirc, to complete this quick review about this fella, which is looking good, is sounding nicely, and also feels alright. I mean, it's not, a little bit slippery. That's probably my nitpick. There's not much grip, let's say, on the surface, but definitely it's a pretty cool one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.